Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my office. My name is Marek. In this episode, I'll create fantastic, super tasty spaghetti with tuna fish, tomato sauce, capers, olives, and king of all cheeses. Fantastic, incredible, magical Parmigiano Reggiano cheese, well known as a Parmesan. But first, as usual, I would like to present all ingredients that we need to make this extremely delicious dish. I was waiting for that moment. Time to serve this dish. Amigos, extremely delicious spaghetti with tuna fish and tomato sauce is landing on the table. Bon appetit! Bon appetit, bon appetit, yeah! Bon appetit very much. What a combination. So simple ingredients, but when you put them together, they create something magical. I am simply addicted to pasta. Another successful day in my office.